Hello, everybody. Andrew Majewski here. So let's talk Norwex and for pets. So if you guys don't know, I have 4 dogs, okay? Yes, I don't know why I did this. No, we do not have 5 dogs. We have 4 dogs. And this is amazing because what this does is this actually helps you to clean their paws, their fur, anything where you don't have to give them a bath necessarily. Even if they have a lot of fur and they're starting to shed, use this and this will help to collect all of that. So it's amazing. Our dogs do not shed, thankfully. That would drive me crazy, but they go outside literally every half an hour. Like they like to go outside, they like to run around in the mud, they like to suntan, they like to go outside again. This is perfect to just sort of wipe off their paws, wipe them down, whatever. It's amazing. In fact, even in the catalog, it says that if you use this often, it's just as good as giving them a bath, which is awesome. We actually don't give our dogs a bath anymore because we were told that it's not good for them to give them a bath all the time. And they have their hair cut and, cleaned, and they have a bath probably every 6 weeks. So we let sort of them do that. Sorry, guys, I'm just looking for, oh, here it is. So in our catalog, you guys have got to check this out. We do have it online too, so have a look. But in our catalog, there we go. See how it even says that bath time is more convenient and more enjoyable with our super soft microfiber pet mitt. Use it wet and then it will lift everything up. So if your dog is dirty, it just literally lifts everything up for you. So much easier to remove loose fur. You would use it dry, and it says it is amazing for muddy paws at the door. And the nice thing is, when you put your hand in here, there's separate finger areas, if that's the word I'm looking for. So it just makes it so much easier to just sort of hold their paw, their leg, arm, whatever. So it is awesome, you guys. Trust me, this has been a lifesaver for us. A little side note, my miniature schnauzer is a boy and he constantly pees on himself. I mean, he doesn't pee on himself, but I find in the morning he's too tired. So he lifts his leg, but like he misses the tree and gets himself. So this is amazing to just sort of clean off that urine smell, basically. So if he pees on his leg, I just sort of take him, like wipe it a couple times, and it takes off that urine smell as if it didn't even happen. So trust me, you guys, you need this. If you have pets, you need it. If you know somebody who has pets, they would love this because you can't buy this anywhere. Norwex has it and it's amazing. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.